Hello students, today we have to show root 2 and root 3 on a number line. Now on a number line, you can show natural numbers, whole numbers, real numbers, integers, etc. But root 2 and root 3 are the different numbers which are not natural numbers, real numbers. These numbers are irrational numbers. So how you have to show such type of numbers on a number line? Now this is a number line. Here distance between O to A is 1 unit. Now this is 1 unit. Draw perpendicular from point A on this line and take a distance of 1 unit. Same distance OA, it is 1 unit. Here is also 1 unit. Give name to this point as a B. This distance AB is also 1 unit. Now join this point B and O. Now you will get triangle OAB, and which is right angle triangle. Now you already know the Pythagoras theorem for right angle triangle. Now in right angle triangle OAB, you know the two sides, base and height, whose length is 1 centimeter. By using this, you can find out length OB by using Pythagoras formula, Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem is hypotenuse square is equal to one side square plus second side square. Now length of OA is 1, length of AB is also 1, square of 1 is 1, square of this 1 is also 1, 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Taking square root of both sides, length OB is equal to under root of 2. So this length of hypotenuse OB is equal to root 2. Now we have to show this root 2 on number line. Now use compass, take distance OB as a radius and draw a semicircle arc on a line. This point shows the distance root 2. In this way, you can show point root 2 on a number line. Again, you have to show root 3. Now using this point root 2, give the name to this point as a C. Point C. Distance OC. Length OC is equal to root 2. And draw perpendicular from point C to this line L. Take distance of 1 unit on this perpendicular of line L. Now take distance of 1 unit OA from this point C. There is a 1 unit. Give the name to this point as a D. Now join point D and O. Here also you have to use Pythagoras theorem to find out distance OD. It is also right angle triangle. So OD is a hypotenuse. Now we know the length OC is equal to root 2 and length CD is equal to 1 unit. Therefore, by Pythagoras theorem, OD square is equal to OC square plus CD square. Now length OD is equal to root 2 and length CD is equal to 1. You know the square of root 2 is 2 and square of 1 is 1, which is equal to 3, and therefore taking square root of both sides, OD is equal to root 3. It means that this distance is root 3. Now we have to take this distance on line L. Now taking distance OD as a radius of a circle and draw a circular arc on this line L, you will get this distance as a root 3. In this way, from distance O to E, the distance is root 3. This is root 3. This is the point root 3 on a number line. In this way, we can show root 5 and root C on number line. Okay, thank you.